You know, I recently witnessed an unimaginable power of our own mind. You know, realizing this, it's so incredible that our minds are so powerful. I want to share with a quick, small story about how much, that small glimpse I got of the incredible power of our mind. You know, if I think about it, if we control our mind, we can literally do anything. Anything in the sense, anything. That's the fascinating part. But the hard part, of course, is doing it. Even I have zero clue how to do it at this point in time, but I'm going to figure it out. So, what happened is recently, you know, I had a bit of my exams were coming in, 4 days, and I was having a bit of conversation with my friend, and then I got a bit inspired. You know how it happens for everyone. Everyone gets inspired sometimes to do something, and that happens, and I literally dedicate, to just studying for that exam, nothing else. You know, that's what I did. First 2 days went amazing, and third day was the day before exam where I had to get, a lot of things done. Because I was studying other subjects because I was weak in that, and Monday I had physics, which I thought I was strong in, but I still had a lot of things to get done in. I kept a timetable. I made a jot down of all the chapters and I kept a timetable. Then when I look at it back, I realize how hard it is to do the timetable. But I was like, you know what? I'll just give it a shot. Let's make it like a fun day. This is a challenge for myself to, do more. Let's say it that way. I, just get up. I had kept to get up early because I had like 14 chapters to finish. And what happened is that day, I just witnessed something which I had never did. It was truly remarkable. Like, have you ever had those days where everything literally went in your way? I think that's what happened, but 10x. Whatever I had written on the hard timetable literally went so smoothly that the chapters I thought I had 3 hours, I will take 3 hours because sometimes I'm lazy and I just don't get it done. I'll just start daydreaming when I start studying. Happens always, right? We are studying, and after some time the boring part comes and you're just like, you just start like daydreaming or something, and before you know it, 20 minutes, 30 minutes are gone. That's what I thought. So I kept reasonable time. I would still say it was a reasonable time. But the chapters which I kept 3 hours finished in literally 1 hour. I was looking at the time and the time was moving slower for some reason. That's what I felt. I don't know why. All the chapters are getting over and there is no time. I don't know how I just made that happen. I don't know. And before I knew it, I, like that day, which was supposed to be only study, I studied, I had fun with my brother, I I put water to my garden, then, I went on a walk, everything happened and I finished it before time. I don't know what just happened. It was completely random. I thought my timetable was hard. It was literally packed. There was no time for anything. But it was like, I don't know how I got so much motivation to randomly just focus for so long hours. I'd never done that. Honestly, I'd never focused so long ever before. That shows how powerful our mind can be. Literally, you know, if we just control. I don't even know how to do that, by the way. Sometimes even I get so lost. But that one day was a glimpse of how much potential just controlling this can be. You can literally do anything. I think I'm telling that too much, but that's real. And by the way, next day after that, I don't know if I was like drained or something. I couldn't do the same amount of work I did. So I want to figure out how to do the same amount, keep it every single day, be disciplined, and just crush it every single day. If we do that, what is going to happen? If we just be the best we can for literally every day, wouldn't that be amazing? Yes. So that's what I kind of want to do. Be the best at every step I do. Just doing it average wouldn't be that nice. Just doing everything as I did every single day, that would mean I'm playing to my comfort zone, which I want to come out of right now. And now it's actually, I think, 5:40-ish, 5:30. I got up at 5 today, and interesting enough, I recorded this video because I tried this many times, getting up at 5 and recording a video. It just didn't work. And even at the cold night, it's literally freezing. It's so surreal, and I don't even have words to say it. But once we just crack the code, I think it stays with us forever. So with that, I would love to end the video, and I just want to convey that our mind is super powerful, and we just need to figure out a way to work with it, and use it for our benefit and not for our worst. So thank you. See you on the next one.